Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento to advanced booking and reservation plugin. Now this particular plugin introduces a new product type, that is booking product, and it allows the store owner to sell booking services as products. The booking product type lets the admin manage all the necessary details like the date availability, slot period, stock value, cancellation availability, price calculation, and much more. Using this particular plugin, the customers can easily purchase and book everything including appointments, event tickets, rental products, hotels, and restaurant tables as well. And the Magento 2 web store admin can create a dynamic booking and reservation event-driven website there. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the restaurant table booking product type, and I'll be showing you the front-end workflow of the same, how it appears to the customer. So how this booking product appears to the customers there at the storefront, and how to set it up from the admin backend panel as well. And also kindly note that this particular booking product can be charged per table or per customer as well. So I'll be showing you both of them there in today's video tutorial. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I've created one table or the restaurant table booking product type there, that's with the name Book Your Table, and the price is there for $10 there. As you can see, $10 is the price for the same, and we are charging per table. This amount is charged per table there, so this booking is per table there. So here you have to enter the number of tables that you want to book, and depending upon the number of tables, so for example, if I'm going to book a single table, then the amount would be $10. If I go with 2 tables, then it would be $20, so on and so forth. Apart from that, here you can see that here we have the location of this booking product of the restaurant there. And if I want, I can go to the map as well. I can open the map in another window to check the exact location of this particular restaurant booking product type. So it's on the Mill Brodale Road, as you can see here on the map itself. I can zoom in, zoom out, or I can tap on the directions to navigate myself to that particular booking product location itself. Let me cancel that out. Apart from that, we have the contact us info. So from here, if a customer wants, if it's already logged in, he can enter the subject and the query for this booking product type and can send it, and the particular query would be received by the admin, and the respective admin can respond back to the query of the customer there as per the need required. Then here we have the slot duration. So the slot duration for this particular booking product type for the table booking is for 50 minutes, as you can see, and the availability is for every day of the week, and the timings are between 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So it depends upon the backend configuration what we have set up. For example, if I take you to the backend panel here, the very first thing that we were seeing here was charge per table, and per table we were having 2 guests. So if I go to this particular booking product type and I scroll down to the booking information, here you can see that we are charging per table, and the number of guests per table has been set as 2. So you can charge it according to the guest as well. So you can choose it as guest, and then here you will be seeing charge per guest and the number of guests there, and the number of table label will be changed to number of guests there, and after entering the number of guests, according to that, the charge per guest would be applicable to this particular booking product type. Now after the availability here, I just wanted to show you the availability here. So I've set it as same slot for all days between 8 to 11, 1 to 4 and 7 to 9 p.m. as we just saw here at the front end, 8 to 11, 1 to 4 and 7 to 9 p.m. in the evening there. Now if I want, I can also do one thing. I can set different slots for each day of the week as well, as per my own requirement. So for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I can add different slots as per my requirement there, and those slots would then be listed here, and the everyday thing would not be listed there if I choose same slots for all days as no option here, right? So for now I'll just set it as yes for the time being. Now here we have the book a table option, and from here you can select the date when you want to book the table there. So for example, if I choose it as 31st of December 2021 and I select the time here, we have time starting from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. I can choose any one. I can enter the number of tables that I want, and if I have any special request or I want to set up a note for this particular booking, I can do that as well. Apart from that, you can see that the booking cancellation is also available for this booking product type, and that can be enabled by enabling this cancellation available option as yes for the table booking product type, right? So I told you that we can create the appointment booking type, event booking type, rental, hotel and table booking type. So today we are just checking the table booking type there. Let me take you back, and let's do one thing. Let me go ahead and let me book one table there, and let me show you how it appears to the customers there. So need a window table, and then I can tap here on the add or the book now button, and this would add this particular thing into the cart there. So here I can see the details. Booking date is 31st of December 2021. The booking slot is 9 a.m. and the special request is need a window table, and it's charged per table, and per table we are having 2 guests. So if I update this to 2, for example, that means I'm updating the number of tables there, then the cost would be set as 20, because per table we are charging $10 and each table is having 2 guests there. So that's how it works for the charge per table there. Now if I come back to this particular product there in the backend panel and I change it to guest and I save this thing up and I come back to the front end and I refresh this page here, let me refresh it up. Now because I've set it as right now the booking as charged per guest, so here you can see that it's being charged per guest, and for 2 guests we are charging $10. And similarly if I go with 2 guests here and if I enter my request, special request, and tap here on the book now button, then the amount that would be added for this one would be $10 there. Now if I go with for example 3 customers there and tap on the add button, let's see what happens. The price would be changed accordingly there, and you can see that charge per 2 guests is $10. For 3 it would be $20, and here we have already $10 for each. For 2 quantity there will be 20, so total it's showing as $40. So thereafter the customer can proceed to the checkout button by tapping on the proceed to checkout button very easily, and on the checkout page the customer just needs to select the payment method. On the right hand side he can find the details of the booking product that he's going to purchase with the complete details, with the special request and the notes as well. As you can see here we have the notes as well, and then the customer can tap on the place order button to place the order for the particular table booking product there. So after the successful purchase, the customer can leave the details of the booking there. So here we are having the special request visible here as well in the order details. Now if I take you to the backend panel, now to create a booking product type or the table booking product type, what you need to do is you need to navigate through catalog and then products. Now there are 2 ways to create the booking product there, that's the table booking product. First I'll show you this one by navigating through catalog and then products, then choosing here from the drop down you have to choose the booking product. On the new product page you have this option as the booking type, so from the drop down you can choose it as table booking type, and the particular information for the booking product type would be popped up like having the contact info, This is info that is visible on the storefront on the particular product page. So if I go to the restaurant here and I open this particular product, so here's the location thing that we are visible that is visible on the product page itself. So this can be set up from the contact information section there. So I've already created this product. So this was one way to create the table booking product type by navigating through catalog products, then choosing the booking product there, and then choosing on the new product page, choosing the booking type as table booking. Other way around is navigating to advanced booking system and going to the view booking products. And here you'll find the complete list of booking products that you have created. And here you have the option to add a new booking product. From the drop down, you can directly choose the table booking product type, and the particular section would be opened up to create a new table booking product type there. Now I've already created the book your table product type, as you can see here. Let me edit that up. So here I've chosen the booking type as table booking, set up the product name, set up the price for the product there. Set the stock status as in stock, and set the cancellation availability as yes, that the cancellation is available. Now whenever the invoice is generated, at that time a cancel button would be available to the customers to make a cancellation there to the product under their own account panel for the respective booking product type. Now here you can see that the contact information has 33 Mill Brodale Road, Australia, New South Wales, Mount Thorley. The same is visible here. Show map with location, so that's why we are having this view on map option. Show contact button to everyone, all logged in customers only. So right now we are logged in, so we have chosen it as everyone, so everyone will be able to see this contact us option here. Then the booking information here, we have set it as per guest here. So that's why it's showing as charge per guest for 2 guests, right? You can set it to table as well. Then you can set the number of guests per table as well. Maximum guest capacity, the slot duration for each. Here you can see that the slot duration is 50 minutes. The break between the time slots can be set, prevent scheduling before. You can set the same slot for all days of the week. Right now we are having a few ones for all day of the week there, for every day. What you can do is you can set it to no, and you can set the slots for each day of the week as well, as per your own requirement there, by tapping on the add slot button there. So that's how easily you can create the what we say as the restaurant table booking product type from the admin backend panel, and that's how the customers can view it at the storefront, and that's how easily they can select the date and the time slot, set up the number of guests or the number of tables required depending upon whether it's being charged as per table or per customer there. So I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow of this particular plugin there. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.udes.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.